In this guide, I'm going to walk you through how you can fix your Wi-Fi missing or not showing up in Windows 11. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment. But first things first, what you're going to want to do if your Wi-Fi has suddenly disappeared, you're going to want to click on the Windows Start button at the bottom down here, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this, and go ahead and navigate into your settings. From here, go ahead and find your network and internet section, just like so, and what you're going to want to do is if you never had Wi-Fi on the computer, is actually make sure that you do have a Wi-Fi adapter. If not, you may need to get one, such as like a USB Wi-Fi adapter. But if you have had Wi-Fi before and now it is missing, scroll down and you're going to see this advanced network settings section down here. Click on that and then scroll down even more and you're going to see an option for a network reset. Go ahead and select that and it's going to pop up with a page and you're going to want to click reset now and your computer is going to restart, and when it connects back on, Wi-Fi should now become available again. That's it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.